Good afternoon, America. Mark.Kelson here in Junction City, Oregon, today to present to you this Baystar Sport 2019 version of the 2813 model. And boy, it's a dandy. Come on inside, let's take a peek at it. Colors in here, very neutral and pleasing. You've got the couch across from the dinette, so you can bring friends in here and very comfortably entertain and have fun with them. And that's what it's all about, is just going out and making memories. This has an easy clean-up floor in here, which for a number of years was not the case, but now in this industry they've gone to this, and it's a great thing. It does have Corian countertops. You have a televator back here for entertainment if you want to watch a movie. You have the oven with the 3 burners on the top. Drawers galore. Nice microwave. And again, this is Newmar quality, so you've got the mitered corners, and I think this is the Calypso maple in here. Look at the accents in here. Isn't that beautiful? This is a great coach. You'd be very, very honored and pleased to show your friends this coach. You do have a 2 stainless steel sink right there with the Moen faucet. Nice little window right there for some ventilation. Coming back here, refrigerator freezer, and this one does feature an ice maker. And then you're talking pantry. You can get a bunch of food in there, that's for sure. So you can go out for weeks and make some memories. Back here you have a linen closet right there, and then coming back in here, another little closet area with drawers down below. Look at that. That's very nice. Turning here, you have a king bed that folds up when the slide out comes in. You have the exit window, nice cabinets overhead, nice rear window back here. Look out over the ocean, the mountains, whatever the case may be. 32-inch TV up here. That is a Vizio TV. That's extremely nice. Over there in that side door, you got that corner bathroom. Nice lighting in there. A lot of room. It doesn't look like it till you open that door and you realize, boy, that's a big bathroom. A lot of elbow room when you're on the toilet. A lot of elbow room when you're in that shower. Let's go up and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. Coming up here, again, that Calypso maple wood. Darker wood, lighter colors here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Now you do have this shade right here that comes down to take care of that nighttime entertaining inside so people can't look in. You also have a little table over here for your co-pilot to navigate or have a snack on. A lot of room up here on the counter for a pet. They love to ride up there and help you navigate. Right over here you have the backup camera, and this will have the side cameras. You have the CD player. You have the Ford chassis. It's a 320 horsepower on the V10 and cruise control at the fingertips. You have the levelers over on the side. You've got everything that you need in this coach. This is a beautiful little coach. Let's go outside and see what's on the outside. Baystar Sport. Entry-level Newmar, but by no means not entry-level in quality. This is an awesome little coach. A lot of storage underneath. You also have in this coach full body paint. Let's see if we can get these up here without hitting this coach over here to the side. Isn't that nice? This does have the frameless windows. Has a huge automatic awning up there too. Let me shut that. Just that easy. Your awning right there. Here's your generator. You're going to have a 4,000 watt Onan generator right there. And then you're going to have, and we'll hold this right there, you're going to have storage there that goes up and over to the other side. Now back here, you can tow your car or your truck, whatever you have, your boat or your motorcycle, and that's a 5,000-pound hitch, so there's a lot of stuff you can tow with that. Going up to the top is your camera to watch your tow vehicle, or if you're just on the road and you want to watch the vehicles behind you, you can do so too. Now, this is a 30 amp service. This is a huge slide, but right there, easy access to get your plug in right there. And you can see that one. You probably see the leveler jacks under there while you're panning there. Pretty cool. This is a great coach. More storage, and that's your water bay and your sewer bay right there. Again, more storage. Look at that, your winterization tube is in there too. And then you have right here a huge LP tank. So you can do some barbecuing or whatever you want to do. But there's your side cameras. Beautiful coach, extremely high quality, at a great price here at Guaranty RV. If this coach is of interest to you or any that we have on the campus, please give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you.